Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today, we are going to draw in color Pocoyo and Pato playing football soccer. Let's start drawing first. Fantastic! I love my pen. Now we're going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red. I love my pen. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Green. Yellow. Then I use orange. And purple. Cream. Blue. Excellent! Green. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.